surprised how much I saw. I saw an aerial of all the husbandry of the lakes throughout the state. Lake Petenwell was all green with elk. Oh, it's not even a lake, it's a flowage from the Wisconsin River.
Yeah.
And I lived up there. I'd never seen that before, but the whole flowage was lime green from elk.
Yeah.
So it's really affecting northern Wisconsin too. Well, good luck.
Thank you. There's one. First fish.
Not so bad.
First bass of the day. Nice. There's a bunch of largies stacked up right up against the bank, and they're just crushing the bluegill. That is a nice one. All along this bank there's just tons of bluegill and then bass. Just going to town on them. I actually get a bite. It looks like some of these fish are hidden top. Fish. That's a good fish. Shaking its head. Shaking its head. Bass. Little bass. It's not bad though.
Nice catch.
Decent little bass. I need my pliers for this one. Oh, maybe not. All right, another decent bass. That was a good fight. He was pulling, shaking his head like crazy. There he goes. Sweet. All right, so crankbait is working. And of course, I misplaced my scissors. Hashtag ADHD. That's why I always keep a knife as a backup. I have no idea where I put those things. Did I leave them over here? On the grass? I might have. I have no idea. Shoot. Hopefully I put them in my backpack. I got this little underspin with a little swim jig on. It's a lot smaller. Still big enough for some bass, but small enough that that crappie can get it. Got him. There we go. That's a good one.
Nice catch. I just saw that. You got a good one.
Yeah, it's not bad. They're just feasting up on all the bluegill.
Oh, you're just getting started, right?
Yeah. All right, got the hook out of that one. Nice little crappie. Oh man, that is a good looking crappie. I'm gonna get a quick picture of this little guy. God, look at the color on this guy. Come on, bluegill. Get it. Finally. Woo! It's been like an hour since we got on a freaking fish. Come on. Yes. Woo! We finally got one, boys. There he is. Nice little crappie. Back in the water he goes. Frustrating day. Got one. Got one. Finally. Bluegill. Oh, yes. That is a nice one, too. Look at the color in that bad boy. Alright, got him. Yes. Finally. Freaking bluegill. Buddy. What am I doing wrong? Got one. Got one. That one's pulling good. Nice bluegill. Nice bluegill. Look at that thing. I think these are pumpkin seeds. Nice. Finally got one. All right. Let's take a quick look at this guy. Look at him. He's a good looking bluegill. All right. Nice. Nice bluegill. bastard. He's got all the hooks in. Open up, buddy. Alright, there we go. Another bluegill. He's ready to go.